Google's 2026 Developer Conference delivered a huge wave of artificial intelligence updates. And you know what? If you want to stay updated and right here in Bengaluru, then you have to obviously be at Cypher, which is India's biggest AI summit and expo. It's back in its 10th edition. IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026, well, which makes it bigger than ever. It shall take place in October of this year. The venue is KTPO Bengaluru. Well, I'm pretty sure you're serious about your AI and tech, which will ensure that you shall be at Cypher 2026. Oh, sorry, IBM Bob presents Cypher 2026. And now for the rest of the details. Amidst the many launches, the company rolled out Gemini 3.5 Pro native agentic workflows across Android and real-time multi-threaded coding tools inside Workspace. But the single most impressive accessibility feature was a live computer vision demonstration. Gemini can now recognize, interpret, and translate American Sign Language or ASL. That would be actually done in real time through a smartphone camera. Now, the model reads fluid hand movements, facial expressions, and body posture instantly. It is a landmark technical achievement, but it also reveals a very critical, growing blind spot in the global AI race for sovereignty. Google built this feature almost exclusively for American Sign Language. This highlights an issue in accessibility engineering. Sign language is not universal, mind you. Indian Sign Language or ISL has millions of users and features which is from distinct grammar, regional dialects, and finger spelling structures. Yet, Western tech giants continue to default to ASL. Well, when global foundation models train only on American sign patterns, millions of deaf and hard of hearing citizens across developing markets get, well, unfortunately left behind entirely. And this gap represents a very urgent challenge for domestic AI enterprises. Indian startups like Sarvam AI have made major strides building sovereign models for spoken and written regional language. But Sarvam natively processes over 22 Indian languages spanning text and voice synthesis. However, sign language remains completely absent from India's sovereign AI roadmap. No major Indian startup is building large-scale vision datasets for Indian Sign Language. Now, by ignoring visual gestural languages, domestic developers are ceding sign language sovereignty entirely to Silicon Valley, which then brings us to the front page take. Now, Google bringing ASL to Gemini is definitely a triumph for computer vision, but it's also a wake-up call for India's AI ecosystem. True technological sovereignty means leaving no citizen behind. Now, if Indian startups like Sarvam AI can build models for 22 spoken dialects, they must definitely prioritize Indian Sign Language next. Otherwise, India risks letting foreign algorithms dictate how its deaf community communicates digitally. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.